Hello, hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmi. Hi, everybody. We'll give YouTube a few minutes to notify. Hey, guys, welcome, welcome. Today, we are talking about what to do if you do not have a dual tray printer. There are many reasons you may not have a dual tray printer. And let's go back a little bit. I'm Kimmi. Just for those of you who may not know, I'm a notary educator. I teach all 50 states, and I have a wonderful mentorship along with Angela and Alexis and Jeffrey that we are helping other notaries to build their business also. And that's why I wanted to come to you today and talk about a few things, okay? So the first thing I'm going to talk about again is when you are a notary loan signing agent, let's go back because I just kind of hopped in there. That email kind of threw me off. That's real life. When you are a notary signing agent, the one of the responsibilities is to print documents. So I'm sure you hear a lot about printing, the need to have a printer. Typically, we use a Brothers printer. You got a few people that like HP, but it has to be a laser printer. It cannot be inkjet. And those printers sometimes are hard to come by. They're hard to find right now. And even if you can find it, some people simply don't have the money. So during our mentorship today, I've never used what's called Notary Rotary. It's they have a program that will page sort your documents for you. So if you don't have a printer, a dual tray, and you receive packages, sometimes they give you 200 pages, 400 pages, whatever. And some of the documents within the package can be legal size and some can be letter size. Okay. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So I wanted to show you really quick. I'm going to share my screen. And let me know if you can see it. I'm going to share my screen really quick. So this is what Notary Rotary looks like. Okay. I'm going to click it here. And so this is Notary Rotary. And I'm going to come back because I can't see both while I'm doing this. So I'm praying you can see my screen. I'll ask you in a minute. Put a 1 if you can see my screen. So this is notaryrotary.com, and all you would do is go over here. Now, I've not bought anything else from them. I don't buy insurance from them. I buy that from the NNA. I buy my supplies from Amazon. I have a notary supply list. Education, of course, I'm a notary educator, so you know I ain't buy education over there. I'm just kidding. But not really, though. Find a notary. I've not used any of these other functions. Today, we're going to focus on the resources, okay? And under resources, they have this page sorter right here. Okay, PDF page sorter. So what you do is you click on it, and it's really nice. You will upload your file. Now, I don't have a file that I can upload because all of my documents have people's confidential information. But you would just upload a file, like right here, okay? And what's going to happen, and then hit process, and it's going to tell you to please be patient. Wait. And that's not one of our things. So just be patient. It takes about a couple minutes, but it's going to sort through that package for you. Okay. It's going to sort through that package for you. Oh, great. You can see my page. Good. So I'll just show it here for a few minutes and then I'll exit out. So it's going to sort through your package. So for example, if you have a 200-page document, you're doing a refinance. Hey, Kevin, Brittany, I see a lot of new names today. Welcome. Welcome. So if you have a 200-page notary signing, it could be, most of the time, that large of a package is going to be a refinance. That means someone is refinancing their home. So say 50 of those pages are actual legal size, the 11 by 14. the page separator is going to separate it out for you. So it will tell you like pages 8 through 15 are legal, and then you can print those. Okay, so you still need ink, you still need a printer, but I'm going to remove it from the screen, y'all. So you still need a printer, but you won't have to have a dual tray. Like I have a dual tray printer, so mine will just do it automatically. Legal letter, legal letter. But if you only have one tray, and that stops a lot of people from starting their business. So like I said, I had never used it before, but one of our mentees, used it today, and we had to help her because she has a dual tray printer, but there was some kind of bug in the actual file. So when she went to print it through her brother's, it would not print. So we were able to help her, myself, Jeffrey, and the tip came from another notary that's in the group. So shout out to everybody that was part of that process today. So our notary, who's in our mentor program, was able to get her documents printed so she can do what she had to do. Again, she already had the printer, right? But it didn't work for whatever reason. So you always need a backup. Hey, that's true, Kevin. Happy National Notary Day. It is Notary Public Day. Yes, and we are essential workers. We worked all through COVID. That's when I knew how essential we were. Everybody else was like at home, and it was like, well, can we go out? Is it safe? We were deemed essential workers. So yes, we work. So notaries rock, okay? Congratulations and everything to all of our notaries out there that make a difference in somebody's day. The best day of their life and the worst day of their life. We are there. So again, back to topic. Do you all have a dual tray printer? Has that stopped you from becoming a notary signing agent? The fact that you cannot either afford one, or the fact that there aren't any out there? Because some notaries you're trying to get them, they had the money, but they still couldn't get them because they were just on back order for a while. That was a problem too. Yes. Hey, Burner Girl. That's a new name too. Brittany Duke. What's up? What's up? So yeah, so if you don't have a dual tray printer, I wanted to show that to you, and it's such a big deal because a lot of you are not doing notary signing agent work because you don't have a dual tray printer. So I wanted to dismiss that myth that you have to have one. And again, I've always talked about it before, but I've never actually used it until today. And it's really cool again. So it'll tell you what pages need to come out. Now, I want to give you a few more tips, though. If you don't have a printer, that will automatically separate for you, okay? Like I told our mentee today, and I'm going to just drop these gems over here for you, too, because I want you to do it correctly. Now, if you're not a part of mentorship, you know you need to be. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But I want you to do it correctly, so I'm going to share this with you here, too, okay? Once you are doing using Notary Rotary or whatever, if you find another one that will page sort and separate it for you, you want to put your package back in order. And then you want to confirm it with the actual documents that were sent over via the email. Okay. Why do you want to do that? Because you want to make sure that your client, I'm still thinking about that email, y'all. You want to make sure that your file is complete. So if they sent you over like and typically it's not numbered pages 1 through 200. It's never numbered like that. But I do want you to get in the habit of kind of looking, especially if you're not printing exactly from the file and you're doing something different. Always get in the habit of matching what documents you have in your hand versus what was actually sent over. Because if you accidentally didn't print the CD, that's a problem. If you don't know what a CD is, you probably need to be in mentorship. But the CD is a closing disclosure, okay? But if you accidentally did not print that, then you have a problem. So you really want to make sure, as I was telling our mentee earlier, that make sure, yeah, you're printing it that way, but make sure your package in your hand matches what they sent over. Okay, because I don't want you guys to be one-hit wonders out there. And I don't want you not taking assignments because you don't have a printer. Printers are expensive. If you're just starting out, you may not have money to buy a $600 printer. Okay. So I'm giving you a workaround today to get started in this business, okay? If you need loan signing agent training, it's also a part of the mentorship. Sorry, let me cut that on mute for a minute because I am actually still working.